Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. I'm just doing a little test canvas. That's a white base coat. And sorry, my lighting's a little weird for just the beginning part here. That's a really pretty kind of turquoise green base coat. And that's like a plum copper mix, kind of I'll try to remember what's in that. That's the white. And that's Iridescent Pearl by Modern Masters with Golden Fluids Titanium White. And then this one is, it's actually a Payne's Gray mixed with a Jenkins Green by Golden Fluid. And then that is this Lucas Krill Payne's Gray that I've been playing around with. It's really nice. That's a Modern Masters nickel and champagne and brass and a little bit of apricot by Lucas. And my quinacridone Nicolazo Gold for an accent color. And then that is Golden Fluid, or DecoArt Berry, Extreme Sheen. And then that is DecoArt 24 karat gold mixed with a little bit of Golden Fluid Iridescent Gold and a Cobalt Turquoise. And those are all kind of cloud over and accent colors. And this is just that, the lighting's better, thank goodness. This is just a little test run for a larger painting I'm going to be doing soon. I just wanted to kind of test the colors together and see how they played and see if they worked well together. So it's a good opportunity to make a few changes before going on to a larger canvas. And you can always show, if it's a commission, you can show your client the test piece just to see what they think of the overall sort of color and, a little bit of composition idea as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little painting. It's just a fun and very relaxing process working with these beautiful paints. And I've been really having a wonderful summer with friends, and we've been outdoors a lot. So I have not been in my studio quite as much, but more will be coming soon. I've got some really fun things on my table, so I hope you have a really beautiful day. You guys take care. If you want to see more of my work, please do subscribe. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified of new videos. So all of it helps. All your support is just magical, and I really can't tell you how much I appreciate it. So thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.